leave tuna on the stoop again, just past midnight under flickering light. Think you're doing good, think you're being kind, but you're rolling out a welcome mat for trouble tonight. Those cats don't stay, they roam and fight, leave fur on fences, bones and bends. And where they gather, shadows creep, with red eyes blinking through the cracks and tin. Don't feed the stray cats, friend. They bring more than purrs and grace behind their soft and hungry eyes. Come claws that tear this place, rats in walls, fever in the air, all because you couldn't say no. Don't feed the stray cats, friend. This kindness grows what we can't control. Mrs. Lynn swept her steps last spring, found droppings near the milk box door. Now her boy's cough won't let up, and the clinic says it's something from the floor. I've said it gentle, said it plain, posted notices in every hall, but mercy misplaced is still a chain, dragging sickness through us all. Don't feed the stray cats, friend. They bring more than purrs and grace behind their soft and hungry eyes. Come claws that tear this place, rats and walls, fever in the air, all because you couldn't say no. Don't feed the stray cats, friend. This kindness grows what we can't control. Just let them wander, let them find their own